Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about decimal. What is decimal? Decimal is a fraction in which the denominator is a power of 10 expressed by a point placed at the left of the numerator. The numbers which are written before the decimal point is a whole number, and numbers which are written after the decimal point is the decimal part, and it is always less than 1. For example, if my number is 7532.812 and it has a small dot between 2 and 8 is called decimal point. Such a number is called a decimal number. Over here, 7532 is called its integral part and 0.812 is called its decimal part. The position of each digit in the given number determines the value of the digit. Now, decimal place value. As we are already aware of the place value before the decimal point, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But after decimal point, the place values are tenth, that is th is added, hundreds, 100 and th is added. Over here, we are dividing. Before the decimal, it is multiple of 10, and after the decimal, we are dividing by 10, 100, 1000. For example, if my number is 6145.89, over here the first digit 5 is on the left of the decimal point is ones digit. The second digit 4 is on the left of the decimal point is the tens digit. The next digit 1 is the hundreds digit, and the next digit 6 represents thousand digit. The first digit 8 on the right of the decimal point is the tenth digit. The second digit 9 is the hundredths digit. Now the place value 6145.89. 6145 is a whole number written before decimal, and 89 is the decimal part which is written after decimal point. Now, if we have to represent this on the number line, if the fraction is given 3 by 10 and decimal is 0.3, it means it is less than 1. So, in a number line, as it is less than 1 and more than 0, so 0 and 1, the place between 0 and 1, it is equally divided into 10 parts, and third part is 3 by 10. 1 is 10 by 10. First part is 1 by 10, then 2 by 10, then 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10 and 10 by 10. That means it is 1. So the third place 0.3. Like and unlike decimal. The decimal number having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 3.79, 305.05, 23.70 and 5010.93 are like decimal numbers, as all the numbers are having equal number of decimal places after the decimal, that is only 2. Unlike decimals, the decimal numbers having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal numbers. For example, 3.5, 27.50 and 7.023 are unlike, as 3.5 is having one decimal place, 27.50 is having two decimal places, and 7.023 is having three decimal places. Now, if we have to compare the unlike decimal, first thing we have to express the decimal number as like decimal. Compare the whole number part. The decimal number having greater whole number part is greater. If the whole number part are equal, then compare the tenth digit. The decimal number having greater tenth digit is greater. And now if the tenth digits are equal, then compare the digits at the hundredths place. The decimal number having greater hundred digit is greater, and so on. Now, for example, if the number is 1.5, 1.67, 0.52 and 0.9. First we will make a place value chart. In this we can see there are few places empty. So to complete the places we will put number of zeros required to fill up the places. Then we will compare first the whole number and then the decimal, the numbers which are written after decimal, that is ones, tenth and hundred, and we will arrange in ascending or descending order. Now moving forward, we are going to learn about addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals. In addition and subtraction, we have to line up the decimal point in the same place as a straight line. 0.32, 12.965, 1.1. If we arrange it in the placeholders, we can see few places empty. Again we are filling those places with 0 and then it is a simple addition. Same way in subtraction, first line up the decimal, add the number of zeros required in the empty places and subtract, then drop down the decimal. Follow up with the multiplication and division of decimal numbers. If we are getting the number 0.3 and 0.4, that is 0.3 multiplied to 0.4. In multiplication we are ignoring the decimal. If we ignore the decimal, we are getting the number 3 and 4. Multiplied we get it 12. So first, after ignoring, the answer is 12. Now we will count the number of digits in both the numbers, like in 0.3 1 decimal place and 0.4 1 decimal place. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. There are 2 decimal places. So in the answer we will put the decimal after 2 decimal places, after 2 digit. Division of decimal numbers. Over here where the decimal is only in the dividend, the divisor do not have decimal place. It is only where we have to put the decimal that goes straight away up. You can see the arrow mark where the decimal point is given. It is only going up and it is the simple division. No other changes to be done. But if the decimal is in both the divisor and dividend, we have to remove the decimal from the divisor. Like 3.4. If we have to remove the decimal, it is before 4, it means we are shifting 1 digit after the decimal, that is 4, 34.0. 34 it becomes 34. So in the dividend part, the number which is 55.318, as we have shifted 1 decimal place in the divisor, we will shift 1 decimal place in the dividend also. So my number becomes 553.18. So we have to divide now.